Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This is the pencil dress we were working on. Do you remember how it looked like at the fitting? Now it's lined and looks absolutely different. Lining hides some parts of my body which I don't want to show. It's always better to line items. Have a look at the back. I've decided not to make a vent in this dress. I don't need it. You can make it if you want. The dress is a bit narrow at the bottom, and I feel very comfortable in it. There's a one-piece facing on the neckline. Have a look at this part once again. The darts and the center front fit me perfectly. I remind you that I made the lines a bit round. I recommend making items with a seam on the center front. They look amazing. A seam on the center front makes the detail stronger, and item fits the body better. Have a look at the dress once again. I can't wait to show you together with the jacket. Notice how beautiful my accessories look together with the dress. Such beige dress can serve as a base for many different outfits. Pencil dresses are essential in a wardrobe of a woman. Now I'll show you my amazing jacket. This is one of the books from my library. I get a lot of inspiration from it. Have a look at this jacket. I think that it's absolutely amazing. Notice that one side of the collar looks like a stand one, and the other side like an off-the-shoulder sleeve. I had decided that I don't need such coat, so we made a jacket. The pattern is pretty complicated, so I used it just as a guideline to make my own pattern. It took me 3 days to make a pattern. The dress I'm wearing now was made to be put on together with the jacket. Now I want you to have a look at it. Have a look at me. I can finally show you this amazing jacket together with the dress. I have matching shoes and accessories, so you're looking at a finished outfit now. I wanted to have a close look at the jacket. It's an haute couture design. Of course, I'm not going to wear it on a regular basis. This is the item for some special occasions. I wanted to have a look at the fabric too. I think that this jacquard is very beautiful. Have a close look at it. Have a look at the draping. It's pretty complicated. It took us very long to make it on the center front. The most interesting detail in this jacket is this off-the-shoulder collar. I think that I won't even make any more dresses for this jacket. As I've already said, a beige dress can serve as a base for many different outfits. I can't wait to go somewhere wearing this outfit. I need a very special occasion. Guys, remember that practice makes perfect. I made this jacket using my 10 measurement cutting system. Anyway, the basic pattern was changed so much that it was hardly recognizable. Have a look at the sleeve. This is kind of a one-piece sleeve, but there's a gusset under it. Thanks to it, there are no waves in the armholes. When you learn to make simple items, I'll show you more complicated designs. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, share the videos, and write comments. I'm working really hard to make this channel, so I'm waiting for the feedback from you. Thank you. Goodbye.